when I walked into the installation, he was still reading the chronology, and he was not listening to my chair, and then next to me was the projector on the people. I saw it was an empty chair, and I walked in, and I stepped on the empty chair, and maybe I had to with me. Um, and then we were and started moving on the projector, and it was a bunch of old footage that looked like from movies, and he narrated it. I don't think he looked at me specifically during most of the station. I think he was also looking at the picture. I don't remember the story. I remember back then we were converting up more like around not doing a lot of money, and I remember that plan that were really personal and affectionate. And I remember there being pictures by Don, and the dog showed up on the footage. And I remember thinking it was time really low, but I wasn't sure that this was the actual footage that he was talking about. Um, and then I also had to just a few minutes, probably not more than 5 minutes, and then I think it ended with the story of the grandkids. And then he stopped talking and he leaned over to I turned the projector back and thought that he wasn't either fixing something, so I just kept sitting there waiting